In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF to your GoDaddy website builder in just 5 minutes. Whether you're sharing a brochure, an ebook, or any other important document, this guide will show you how to upload your PDF efficiently. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and search for GoDaddy's official website. Once there, you'll need to log into your account. Just click on the Login button at the top right corner of the page and enter your credentials. If you're not already logged in, make sure you have your login details handy to streamline the process. Having successfully logged in, navigate to your product page. This is where you'll find all the domains and services associated with your account. In the Websites plus Marketing section of this page, you'll see the Manage option. Go ahead and select it to access your website's editing features. Next, click on Edit Website, which will take you directly to your site's editing dashboard. Here, identify the page where you want to place your PDF. It could be your home page, a resource page, or any specific section that's relevant to your visitors. To add your file, look towards the top menu of your editor interface and click Add Section. In the search bar, type in Files to locate the section designated for file uploads. Once it appears, select it. This will allow you to integrate the section onto your chosen page. After selecting the section, click Add to place it on your page. This step enables you to begin setting up your PDF's online presence. In the editor's right-hand panel, there will be an option labeled Upload File. Select this to begin uploading your PDF from your computer. Once you've selected your PDF file for upload, you'll have the opportunity to customize its file label. This label acts as the text for your download link, so choose a name that's informative and enticing for users. If your goal is for visitors to directly view the PDF rather than simply downloading it, select the PDF Viewer option. This feature integrates the PDF directly into your web page, allowing for direct interaction from visitors. To finalize this setup, click Add again, which integrates the PDF Viewer onto your page. With the section now active, you can click on it and navigate to the right-hand panel once more. This is where you'll need to ensure your PDF is correctly uploaded. Just select Upload File. Locate your PDF document on your computer and upload it here. Once successfully uploaded, open the file to confirm it's all set. Your PDF will now display directly on the web page, ready for visitors to view or download. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've effectively added a PDF to your GoDaddy website, enhancing its functionality and providing valuable information to your audience.